how these traditional rice cakes are made at scale. This detailed cross-section reveals the layers: a vibrant green banana leaf, the essential sticky rice,
Watch your left. Move that pallet to bay 3.
Confirmation, moving now.
Clear the path. Forklift coming through.
Back it up slowly, watch the left side.
Okay, stop. Bring the forklift in. Let's move these beans.
Here we see the golden mung beans being loaded into the hopper, the first step in creating the perfect Bánh Tét filling. The process begins with the arrival of fresh banana leaves, essential for wrapping the Bánh Tét.
These vibrant green banana leaves are crucial for the flavor of the Banh Tét. They must be washed and inspected closely before use.
This is the ingredient staging area, the heart of our operation. Here, our dedicated
Here you can see the initial wash water being drained, carrying away the impurities and husks from the rice.
Here we see the washed glutinous rice, undergoing a final inspection for cleanliness and texture.
To achieve perfect dough, the glutinous rice must soak for hours in these massive steel tanks.
The first step is crucial, ensuring only the highest quality golden beans make it through the washing and sorting stages. Precise amounts of water are added to the soaking vats, ensuring the beans are perfectly hydrated for the next step. The husks are completely removed, leaving behind these uniform, pale yellow mung beans, ready for the next stage.
The pork is slowly tumbled in our signature marinade, ensuring every piece is evenly coated and infused with flavor.
As the assembly lines wear to life, our skilled team begins the synchronized choreography.
The leaves must be quickly dragged across the gas burner, a traditional technique that makes them flexible for wrapping the cakes.
It all begins with the meticulously prepared banana leaf, gently placed on the conveyor belt to start its journey.
Utilizing years of experience, the workers expertly mold the filling. This precision is key to maintaining quality at this massive scale.
This detailed cross-section reveals the layers: a vibrant green banana leaf, the essential sticky rice, followed by gold.
The seasoned rice is meticulously spread, forming a protective shell that completely encapsulates the mung bean and pork filling inside the ladong leaves.
The worker expertly folds the banana leaf lengthwise, utilizing its natural flexibility to embrace the contents tightly. The extreme close-up shows the leaf overlap technique. The natural oils help adhesion, creating a secure seal with nature's own packaging system.
The second layer of banana leaves is crucial for durability, ensuring the Bánh Tét stays protected during the long boiling process.
Only time-tested natural fibers are used to secure the rice cakes before they are steamed.
The first step is crucial. The skilled hands apply the traditional string wrap lengthwise, ensuring
Here, quality control is essential. The string tension must be perfect to ensure the cake holds its shape during the long boiling process. Here in the main hall, the Bánh Tét are perfectly wrapped and tied, ready for the steaming process.
After hours of steaming, the cakes are transported to the massive cooling room before packaging.
The hot Bánh Tét are carefully transferred to the cooling racks. It is crucial they are spaced evenly. We monitor the core temperature closely. Hitting 96 degrees Celsius confirms the Bánh Tét is fully cooked and safe for consumption. The individual rice cakes now enter the shrink wrap tunnel for final preservation.
Watch the clearance on the left.
Bring the next one up. We need to expedite this shipment.
Here you go, my dear. Wow, it looks amazing.
Your grandmother's is always the best.